Hi guys. So, the coronavirus got all of us people in the world all crazy and chaotic. And so I needed a face mask. I can't get anywhere and out. So I decided to make my own. I'm gonna do a DIY. Excuse the noise in the background. That's my nephew. He's playing his game, and you know how those young kids can be. So I'm gonna make my own, but I want to give it some flair. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. But these are the items I'll be using to make my face mask myself. I'm gonna make a variety of ones, but I'm just gonna show you. You are welcome to try it. It's quick and easy. Just use this no sew. So it makes it really quick, and it's just gonna be gluing. So right here I have some fabric that I got from my daughter because she loves to sew. I'm gonna use this fabric to make it. If you notice, it's shaped like a triangle. And then I have some sequins I'm gonna embellish it with. And this string right here came from my daughter's pants from the waist that I'm gonna use and put on it. Then we need some scissors and some buttons. I haven't chose which one to use yet. And then we have our Eileen fabric glue. And this one we use to glue the fabric on. And then we have the other clear, Eileen's clear tacky glue to glue the buttons on. So here we go. This is what I don't like. Oh, a mess. But free or not. So I glue buttons here. I gotta be careful they're not dried yet, and the strips. And technically, see, for this one, I could have done the same. I didn't have to use glue because it was kind of messy. I'd have preferred this method. Just tie a string in to hold the button in place so it's loose. And that'll actually be better. I'm going to just put another knot. Right? And then you could add buttons along it if you want to adjust it. So all I would do, matter of fact, I'm not going to use this glue. I'm going to use some E6000 because it's a little stronger bond. Just to hold the knot in place. Just a dab. Just a dab. Just a dab. That's it. And I'll put another knot so I can close up that glue. You could do however you like, but that's what I prefer. And cut it right. And if you want, you could actually cover it, the patch, if you want underneath. But that's okay. And you see, there's a button. That way, when this finally dries, and if it doesn't come out the way I want, I'm gonna add, and then I'm just gonna show you. This is not gonna be gonna last. I'm just showing. See, and it goes right over. See, and then you take it off. It's just something different. Okay. So far, this is it. These are the latches to hold. So when I wrap it around my face right here, it's kind of long, but we'll see how it works and how it looks. It's just a different style of a mask on it. It don't mean I'm like a mask. It could be worn as a mask, headband, however you want. So that's the beauty of it. Okay? See, I gave some bedazzle with some shimmer, and there we go. All right, my dear, I'm coming. And now, the other one I told you guys about. This one, if you look at it, it has, this one looks like a flag, but you can, the good thing about all these face masks, I think I'll show be used as headbands. Yeah, look like a flag. I was trying to do something different, but based on the strip of my hair, so I put a button here because it was a little too long, and then an extra reinforcer. And then I put a little back in just to keep it in place. Now, you would take the strip, stretchy, align it to wherever you want it, adjusting it to you, and then you put it right through. Right, then you have the next one. I'll do the same thing. I'll put it on and show you guys. And see, that's how it's connected. You don't have to do that way, but I was just doing something different. And see, and that's the extra wrap. So let me show you guys. So, this is how I had it. Take that, that.
See? Cause right here by the nose line on your mouth. I could still put it down under your nose if you want. Pull up. And that's it, my friends. 3 different ways to make a unique and fashionable face mask. You don't have to be subjected to the other ones. Although, yes, it's safety. They're still safe. They don't have like how you have in a hospital. I'll show you in a minute. Actually, because I have these, what I got. Right. And this is what we all have. Wait, put on. Right, the regular one. I'm actually going to take these and put on my nose bridge of my other ones. But I have these. But what happened to the ones people don't have these? And the stores don't have any out. You can make your own DIY. Make your own face mask. And that's what I did. But I wanted something with flair. A little fashionable. Not because we're in this crazy era of coronavirus. It means that we can't still live and, feel a little okay. Because we already are semi-quarantine, have to stay inside and make the best of whatever we have right now. So that is what I'm doing. So when I'm going to go out, I prefer to wear one of my face masks that I made. Alright, my friends, signing off on Just Being Crazy. Bye-bye.